Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to say Facebook profile on iPhone, Android and computer. If you are a Facebook user, there is a good chance that you may have wanted to share your Facebook profile with someone at some point or the other in order to let them easily connect with you. While it is pretty straightforward to share Facebook profile on computer, the process is a bit hidden in the mobile app. But bother not, this is where I have a role to play. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First off, I'm going to show you how to share your Facebook profile on iOS and Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the Profile tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your name. Now tap on the triple dot icon that appears right next to Add to Story button. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then hit Copy Link button that shows right below your profile link section. Next up, you can share the link using your favorite messages app like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Apple Messages. Besides, you can even choose to email it to anyone. Next up, it's time to learn how to share your Facebook profile on computer. Guess what? It's much easier than you think. To get going, launch a browser on your computer and then open Facebook. After that, sign into your account if you haven't done it already. Next up, click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Next up, click on your name to access your Facebook profile. Then you can copy the link of your Facebook profile and then choose to share it just like any other URL, and that's about it. So that's how you can share the link of your Facebook profile on Android, iOS and web. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.